Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela berundang yalam ke NPP, uba sengaja halang dahar, uloong ba ke keren sepang ke Jingwan Rung Mukul Sangma Sha National People's Party, kalong ke badang Kloi palan, namar badang don hadu arsnem siteng shwa ke election patba. Haba keren sepang kini, uba dahar uloong ba unlong ubriu ubas ngok mentam, lada Mukul Sangma ujiet banwan Sha ke NPP. Ula penpau ke jing burom mi Mukul Sangma kumunong yalam barang ba, bat ubladon jingsham ha kesan perthejela. Uba dahar ula ongru ba kwa ban kren sepang ke menor ni ki jingya kren baladam. Da ke ba penpau bakidang don jingya day kebayajan bat bakidang long parlog hadu menta.
Sir Mukul is a tall and veteran leader, and I respect him. And he always, he knows what he talks. I really respect Sir Mukul. He's one of the tallest in the states. About the past, I am always friendship to him. He's always friendship to me.
They are joined NPP. So
These things too early to commence because election is another 2.5 years away. A time will come.
But is the
I'm telling you, according to me, you ask me personally, I'm the happiest man if you come to us. On my personal opinion,
will you try to be
not the right time to discuss all this.